Hello there all you gorgeous people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ansela. Today's video is going to be an easy cut crease smoky eye makeup. Let's get started. Don't forget to wash or wipe your face with a wet wipe. I always like to brush my brows with this spoolie. I'm using a black and brown mixed shade from Sivanna Smoky Eye Palette. I like uneven brows as it creates a beautiful look. I like to fill my brows, not creating a very sharp look. I'm using a MAC concealer to create a base before I apply my eyeshadow. I'm applying a white eyeshadow so that it helps to blend the rest of the colors smooth and easy. You can use any loose powder. I'm going to use a sticky tape to get those straight lines. For my eye makeup, I'm using my Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm using color Kinky as my transitional shade. I'm diffusing the color a bit above my crease line. To deepen the crease area, I'm using Love Bite and Spanked shade from Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'm blending the colors well with my blending brush. Now I'm using Sivanna Smoky Black shade to deepen the outer corner of my eye, giving it a smoky look. Slowly moving the brush towards the center of the lid. Make sure you blend the black color well so that it blends into the transitional shade. Look at that beautiful blended color that forms. I'm cleaning my lid with a Q-tip where I'm going to deposit my concealer so that I get a beautiful cut crease. I'm using the same MAC concealer to fill my lid space. Now I'm using my finger to buff the concealer, mixing it with the black eyeshadow. To fill the inner third of my lid, I have mixed two colors to get one shade. I have used a silver shimmery shade from Sivanna Smoky palette and white shimmer from Makeup Studio Eye palette with a flat shader brush. I'm going to mention all the products in the description box below. Next, I'm using the color Define from Take Me Home eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite color. I'm using a highlighter to highlight my brow bones and the inner corners. To prime my skin, I'm using MAC Mattifying Primer Gel. It fills in the pores and smoothens the skin. For my foundation, I like to keep it very light. I'm using one of my favorite Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. It gives a very natural look and it's very light on the face. I'm blending it with a beauty blender. I'm using a MAC concealer which is 2 shades brighter than my skin tone. I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. To set the concealer, I'm using MAC Compact Powder. Going back to my eye makeup, I'm filling my entire lower lash line with Love Bite and Spanked eyeshadow. Now I'm taking white and silver mixed shimmer and using it in the inner third. I'm using Define shade in the center. I am using black eyeshadow in the outer third, joining the outer corner of my lid. Now I am depositing the same black eyeshadow on my waterline. I am creating a small wing line to define my lash. I'm curling my lashes before applying my false lashes. I'm using mascara. It's MAC mascara. You can use any mascara that you have. I'm using MAC eyelashes. Now I'm mixing my blush and contour color. I don't like deep contouring. I'm using Swiss Beauty Blush Peach Pink. To highlighten, I'm using Swiss Beauty, which has a silverish pink undertone. On my lips, I'm using ADS Pro Lip Pencil and creating a shadow and lightly joining the lines. To add a lip color, I'm using Estee Lauder color Rouge. And here is the complete look. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and share my video. Please leave your comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, life is beautiful. Stay happy. Keep smiling. Enjoy.